Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a winter makeup tutorial. I'm so hyped for, not really hyped for winter, but you know, might as well look cute. Anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. And if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you all so much for watching this video. And without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm first going to be applying some Aquaphor to prep my lips for lip products that we're putting on at the end. In the winter, my lips get very chapped along with like my hands. I find lipstick and chapstick really weird, so no judging. I'm going to be applying the Truth Serum by Ole Henderson. Next, I'm applying my Ole Henderson Sheer Formation Perfecting Moisturizer. This is really nice because it gives you that vitamin C that you don't really get in the winter because there's like no sun. So it's much appreciated. So after that is all applied, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. Beauty Guru on point. That was cringy, I'm sorry. Setting a little bit, not too much. And then dabbing in like this. Next, I'm using my Burberry Fresh Glow. This came in like a little set from Sephora. It was last year's edition. I don't think they're having it this year. I was hoping they'd have another cute set like this. It came with this, some mascara and eyeshadow, and their famous lipstick, Oxblood. But I don't have that this year, so kind of sad. Also, my allergies are acting up, so if I sniffle, I apologize. For foundation, I'm using my Tint Couture Balm by Givenchy. This is like a BB cream. I'm really into BB creams. Like, I don't like using heavy full coverage foundations unless I have somewhere to go. This one is very buildable, so you could definitely wear it out if you wanted to. But I use it for every day. It's really nice and light. I wouldn't say, I thought it'd be more like I thought it'd be more glowy, but it's not, but it's alright. It's an okay foundation. It says to apply with, it was recommended to apply with your hands, so just in case you're wondering what the heck I'm doing. And it does have SPF 15, so that's really great as well. Moving on to eyebrows. I'm gonna poof them up like that. I love a good poofed up brow. I want to get kind of in your face for this. That's about it for my eyebrows. I like them very simple, not too crazy. Difference is amazing. I'm gonna do my other one off camera just because it's kind of boring. So now I'm done with my eyebrows. By the way, I used the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. And this is my new favorite. I used to do the Anastasia one, but that one's like really thin and this one's more like thick. So it gets the job done way faster. And I'm using the shade 4.5. By the way, I forgot to mention about this foundation. This is really good for oily skin types. I have oily kind of combination skin. And this is amazing because it's not too dewy. And it just works really well with my skin type. So if you're oily, I definitely recommend. Moving on to concealer, I'm using the Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer. I got this because it said avocado. So I was like, you know, that kind of sounds cool. So I'm gonna get this. Oh my god, focus. Focus. There we go. Yeah. And I'm using the shade 1. Just like that. Down the nose. Off the lip, I don't know why. Laugh lines, forehead. And for some reason I have like really sensitive skin, so concealer kind of burns a little bit. I used to have really sensitive under eyes, and I've never had an allergic reaction to anything, but I think I had an allergic reaction to I think it was Josie Marin product, so I don't really use her anymore because it made my under eyes really dry and like poofy, and it's disgusting. It was not a cute time, so I don't use her anymore. But sometimes this burns me, I don't know why. Now I'm gonna go with my eyelids, because if I let it sit too long, that's when the burning starts. I'm gonna get really close, sorry. I'm not a beauty guru. I'm just doing my thing, you know? Next, I'm gonna be setting it. I got this new pressed powder by NYX. It's the HD finishing powder. Translucent. Taking a brush. It's really nice. Next, I'm contouring and doing my blush. I'm using the Girls Getaway Trio. I'm gonna be using all these colors. This one's gonna be my bronzing, and then I like to mix these two blushes together. Now I'm doing blush. I like to bring it all over the face to give a nice glow, so I look alive, because I have that pale skin tone, and I like to spice the nut up a little bit so I don't look too washed out. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using this Burberry eyeshadow, really shiny and reflective. Sorry if I'm blinding you. And this is in the shade Gold Pearl, and it's the wet to dry eyeshadow, so you can do it either way. I'm gonna be getting it wet though, like my entire face first. I'm using the Ofra makeup fixer. It smells really nice. It smells like a spa. I'm gonna be taking my finger and just letting it down like this all over my lid. I love Burberry for fall and winter. It's just so chic and just like, oh, just so cozy. I love Burberry. Then I like to bring it in the inner corners just to glow a little bit. Oh, look how pretty that is. And I also like to use this as a highlighter because it just works really well with my skin tone. Oh my god, what is that? We need to fix that. Okay, why? Okay, I get blotchy patches on my neck. I swear I blended it out. Blended my foundation out, but sometimes it just gets blotchy. So, like if I touch my neck a lot, it'll get red really easily. So I swear I'm all blended out. It's just red. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna put it right here because why not? I'm gonna be using my setting powder again and setting my face. I like to set my face after I've done my highlighter and my bronzing and my blush, just because I feel like it sets the face more and looks more natural. Wow, this is really glowy. I looked at this like there was a mirror there, but there wasn't. I had a elf one before and it had a mirror. This one does not. My dog broke my elf one, so I had to get a new one. Down the neck, because I don't like having a sticky ass neck. We need to fix that though. That's not cute. Boop. Okay. My face gets red and blotchy. I swear my makeup is blended out. Moving on to mascara, I'm using the Milk Kush mascara. It's really nice. It's my favorite right now because it makes my eyelashes look so pretty. Wow, I looked really crazy when I did that. Oh my god. Okay, mascara takes a lot of concentration from me, so now that you see how I did one eye, I'm just gonna do this off camera because it takes me forever. Okay, I'm all done with mascara now that we messed up a bunch of times, but that's fine. I'm using the Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick and liner in Exposed as my lips today. I just got this the other day. She now sells her products in Ulta, so I went there and I picked one up. Okay. I'm trying to do this as cute as possible for you all, but like, yeah. Okay, done with that. And now we're going to set our face. And that is my winter makeup tutorial. I hope it's everything you hope it's for. But yeah, I think it turned out really nice. I feel really extra. I don't really wear lipstick that often because I have no lips, but this is kind of pretty. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe and become part of the family if you are not already subscribed. I'll list all my social media down below so you can go follow me. I love you all so much. Bye guys.